Welcome to another AriasWave XLM price action update. Okay, so according to this count, now this is a wave E as per my last, I think it was market update. Yeah, I think it was a market update because I didn't just talk about XLM, I also brought a whole couple of other markets into it. But anyway, the last count for XLM was that yes, this move down is more than likely an E wave, a very small D and E to complete this correction since May 2021. And at the lows, you can see that there's a quite a bit of up and down going on. And I did mention that this is probably a wave 4. So just to get into the nuts and bolts of this wave 4, I just want to go down to the smaller degree. Now, I did say that this is an A-B pattern. So, I'd expect to see a wave C coming after that. But I think what's happening here is a CDE pattern. So, when you see a 5 wave move to the upside, normally wave 3 is the sharpest, but in this case, it's pretty obvious that the first move was the sharpest. So, I would say that's a mini wave C. Okay, so if we had to label this properly, might as well do so right now. So, A being green, B being the orangey color that I use, and C is red. Right now, this move here is not a complete correction. Okay, so therefore I classify this as a D wave. So this is what I call a CDE pattern. Okay, so the move that we're seeing now appears to be the 5th wave of wave E. Okay, so probably not going to go much higher at this point before we see a reversal to make one more low. And once we get that one more low in, hopefully that should be the end of the complete wave E. And I'll show you that in just a sec. So to confirm this count, we need to see a break below the start of wave E, right? So if we just go up and make a new high here, like just literally just have to pop up above this area here to make a new high, we should then start to come down, confirm that that is the end of this wave 4. And then what needs to happen then is we need to have the final low put in. So what's the lowest point of this correction? Well, it looks like it's about there, right? So because that part's a bit lower than the end of wave 3. So that's what we're looking for here. We're looking for the low to basically go beneath that just slightly, and that will be a complete correction according to AriasWave. Okay, let's go back to the hourly chart. If that's the end of the complete correction, that should be roughly similar in length to wave 1. Yeah, so you have your wave 1, your wave 2, your wave 3, your wave 4, and your wave 5. Pretty much that's what I see it as being. So once that happens, I don't expect price to go much lower. But what needs to happen then to confirm that that is correct, we need to see a break above that 15-cent level, right? And that will confirm that this entire correction is over since May 2021. Okay, now that's a pretty decent call there, but that's the count at the moment. Now, I recently posted a video, probably like half an hour ago, on the US dollar and the euro dollar count. And interestingly enough, we also need to see another low put in to the euro. Has to put in a new low from, I think it was like 2017 or something. But yeah, one more low on the euro, one more low on Stellar XLM. That does not include the count for other coins, but let's not jump ahead too far yet. I will produce further updates once this happens. That involves probably a fair few coins in one video, especially the ones that I've been covering the most. Probably Bitcoin, ADA, Cardano, SHIB, to name a few. But we'll see how that goes. At this point in time, this is what I think's happening. Let's see if it plays out, and I'll catch you in the next one.